Welcome to your new radio. In this video, you will learn the basic operation and expectations for your new device. When you receive your radio, you will get a charger, a plug for your charger, a Motorola radio with an installed battery, and a second battery. You are responsible for these items. The first step is to turn your radio on. Once your radio is on, find your channel. This is where you will keep your radio set. The channels that you will need to know are your home channel, which is your building, channel 16 for emergencies only, and channel 1 for school police. The channel that you are on will be displayed on the digital screen. There are 3 buttons on the side of your radio. The top button is the push to talk button. This is how you will communicate. The second button will illuminate your display for 5 seconds. The third button is scan. You will not need to use this. If your radio is blinking orange, this means you accidentally hit the scan button. Simply press it again and turn it off. Keep your radio on you at all times, and make sure to turn it off when you are done for the day. To charge your batteries, remove the battery from your radio and place it on the charger. Do not charge it in the radio. This is crucial for the life of the batteries. You have a second battery. Keep one on the charger and one on your device. The battery charger will turn green when full and orange when charging. There are 2 chirps that you will hear from your device. This one is connected, and this one is out of range. Please be mindful of our police department and stay on your home channel for daily communications.